Hey there, little bros. This is Big Boy Bro 99 here. Just an announcement. It's actually Big Boy Bro Whopper now. So hey there, little bros. This is Big Boy Bro Whopper here. Welcome to my channel. This is the last Crick Walk day 3, and we'll just walk through. I already show you some of the scenery, so let's see the scenery. All right, there's the creek. There's signs. This is where people ride their bikes. Here's a path. People go down there to fish. And here are trees. Man, I can't believe that this weekend is the last weekend that we're here. Good memories. I'll show you my bedroom, and tomorrow I'm going to be doing another video of the house. Yeah, it's of the house that we're doing. This is the final walkthrough. And when I pick my bedroom, I'll show you, I'll give you a tour of my bedroom. We're not going to go on there again. I already showed you on there. But here are good fish. And my aunt and uncle are coming up from North Carolina in a couple weeks. So my mom is going to be moved in before they get here. And I'm still going to do another video of the drive-in. I'm not going to film the helping because I'm going to be using my hands. But I'm going to film the way and then film the way back while we're going back and forth while we're getting stuff. So it's back to the scenery. All right, so this is the hill. We can't go to Chittenango Falls anymore because it's closed. Well, I mean, I think you can go, but you might have to wear a mask. There's a tree that's almost going to fall down. Ow! Goddamn bee. Fly. On it. And there's a stump. There's the nursing home again. Hello there. There's the tree. Sorry about that. And there's the nursing home again. There's the whole creek. I already showed you the roads to Wizard of Oz. There. Here's fishing notice. And sorry about that. People. Here's here's the tree. Here's where the dogs have to be leashed. This is the part of the nursing home. And all right, little bros. I'll see you when tomorrow when we do the final walkthrough of the house. And don't forget to subscribe on the subscription below. Make a comment on this video if you enjoy it. Make a comment on this video if you enjoy it. Subscribe on the subscription below. And see you. And see you effing bros. See you effing little bros. And when I pick the room, I'll show you the tour of it once my mom and Ron move in. So stay tight, little bros. Big Boy Bro 99 out.